Hey guys, I'm doing a full body routine starting with my shoulders. So these are 45-pound power blocks. I'm doing a heavy day, so I do lower reps and try to do heavy weight as possible. Do a little bit of a warm up, a few reps of or lighter weights, maybe a couple lighter weights until I get to the highest weight. I just finished the shoulders, 45 pounds dumbbells, and I'm going to do bench press. So I did a warm up set. And I'm going to do 70 pounds, hopefully for 3 sets. So kind of monitoring how many reps I can do. So these are lower reps, so I'm going a bit heavier today. So let's grab these and see what happens. So after I do the shoulders and the bench, I was doing some curls. And this is with Powerblocks as well. I turn to the side just to see a better angle. I use a bit of momentum, but I rotate a bit at the end, more of a hammer. So here I do goblet squat. So I'm doing legs near the end because they're pretty tiring. It's a 55-pound dumbbell, and I got a wide stance, and after the first couple reps I got really down low. So that's kind of my key, is to get really low. And so I'm doing mostly compound movements. Next time I'll probably do squats with dumbbells, 2 dumbbells, because I need heavier weight. But mostly these are compounds. You say the bicep curls, but mostly compound. And I decided to do deadlifts. I don't always do both because these are pretty tiring. These are 70-pound dumbbells, so it's 140. And I did a few reps before this, but I was doing a little bit more squat, bent legs. So this is kind of a bent leg deadlift, but rotate at the hips and then bend the knees a bit at the bottom. So I hope you guys like that. I did a few other little things, just finishers, but mostly it's a heavy day with a bit of a lower rep situation. See ya.